Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and I hope you're having an awesome day. So in today's video we're going to make a REST API using Node.js, Express and MySQL, and we're also going to use Swagger for the documentation. So stick around and I hope you enjoy this video. Without any further ado, let's just get started. I'm gonna open my terminal, cd into desktop, and after that let's just create a new directory called API and cd into it. So cd into API. Now we need to initiate a new package.json for our project. So I'm gonna say npm in a dash y, and the dash y flag just sets all the default values for our package.json. With that out of the way, let's just code into our project. I'm gonna close this one, and after that, before I forget, let's just initiate git. So git init, and let's create a new .gitignore file. Git ignore, and inside the gitignore file, I'm going to list node modules and .env. So when we push our project to the GitHub, none of these files or folders are going to get pushed. And after that I'm gonna go to package.json, and there's a bunch of dependencies that we're going to need, and just go ahead and install them after me. I'm gonna say npm I express, and after that installs. Now we're going to install our dev dependencies, so npm I-d for development, and first off, we're going to install nodemon, which is going to help us restart our server automatically. And after that, we're going to need .env, which helps us store our secrets and environment variables inside the .env file. And after that, Prisma, which is the object relational mapper. I'm gonna wait until all of these are installed, and I'll see you after that.